Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Azari Panapatiha MPM 22411123 from class MEG 22B. Here I will explain the material about Introduction to Behavioral Accounting. Definition: Behavioral accounting is a branch of accounting that studies the relationship between human behavior and accounting system. In the context of modern business, behavior accounting has become highly relevant as it helps understanding how psychological, social, and cultural factors influence decision making in organization by combining accounting principles and behavioral science. Behavioral accounting focus on the impact and accounting information on individual behavior and managerial decision. Next, relationship with other disciplines. 1. Psychology. In the context of psychology, accounting behavior explores how individual fraction of accounting information can influence their decision. 2. Sociology. From a sociological perspective, behavior accounting study the influence of social and group dynamic on accounting decision, pressure from colleagues of social norms within an organization can influence the way individual responds to accounting information. 3. Economics. In economics, profit theory explains how the individuals on the decision basic on the likelihood of gain and loss. Behavioral accounting adopts this principle to understand how individuals tend to be risk averse them facing potential gain and risk seek the facing loss. Management science. Management science contributes to behavior accounting through the concept of leadership and control. Effective leaders need to understand how individual behavior is influenced by the control system in place. Next, key concept in behavior accounting. 1. Decision making. The decision making process in behavior accounting involves analyzing accounting and non-accounting information to make appropriate course outreach or rules of thumb. The individual as to the vision often perfected in the process. Professional consideration. Professional judgment in accounting include the as active and skilled in accessing finance information. Accounts are explained to maintain and spectacle attitude when the means that must absorb and estimate information critically to detect potential error of from. Internal control. Internal control focus on how employee behavior and organizational culture affect the effectiveness of the control system. A good internal control system can help prevent fraud and error by ensuring an adequate inventory and oversight. Performance in the context of behavior accounting is related to motivation, evaluation, and feedback to employers. And fair and transparent reward system can increase employer motivation to achieve organization goals. Next, behavioral influence on finance reporting. 1. Earning management. The use of judgment in reporting to manipulate earning, influenced by cognitive bias, environmental pressure, and organizational culture. Aggressive accounting practice. Application of accounting standards to maximize reported profit, driven by pressure to achieve performance target and obtain funding. Voluntary disclosure. Provision of additional information beyond accounting obligation, influenced by management belief about the relevance of information and relationship with investors. Next, behavior accounting in auditing. Auditor professional skeptics. A skeptical attitude can influence questioning and evaluating audit evidence to direct error and condition. Important from preventing audit failure and assuring finance statements. Audit risk consideration. Auditor should resolve material error in the finance statement and plan the audit based on the level of risk. Consider factors such as management, integrity, and transaction complexity. Auditor and client interaction. The relationship between the auditor and the client can affect the level of skin times, height through can resolve skepticism. It is important to maintain a balance between truth and caution and social interaction. Next, consolation. Behavior accounting is human behavior in accounting process to improve the effectiveness of decision-making, financial reporting, and auditing by understanding expect some foundational esteem, extensions, and social interaction. Organization can manage accounting system more effectively. The application of behavioral accounting helps improve transparency, performance, and risk control for the achievement of strategy object. The all experimentation of the material for me. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.